Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recharge your TikTok coins using GCash. So the first thing that you have to do is open your GCash and just tap on the profile at the bottom right, and then go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. And then just go ahead and tap on the balance. And here is where you see your coin balance. So just tap on the get coins right here. So once you tap on that one, you will be redirected here. So here is where you see the amount. So just pick any, and then I'm just gonna pick on this one and then tap on the recharge. So before doing this, make sure that you connect your GCash or you authorize your GCash to your iCloud or your Google Play. So once you're done, just tap on the purchase, and then once you click on the purchase, it will then reflect here on your coin balance. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.